In this video, I want to show you another place where you can embed your YouTube videos and actually write blog posts and link to your site, so you get a lot of benefits, and that's medium.com, which is a free site where you can post content. And I'll show you an example of a piece of content that my client created, and I've been working with him on getting his YouTube channel going. And when he launches a video, you see what he does. He creates a blog post, and somewhere in the blog post, it's a good post, but he creates this like YouTube video, embeds it right in here. And embeds on such a authoritative sites help you rank. And of course, the views you would get from being on the site and people reading this post also help you rank. And Medium is free. All you have to do is just get started, sign in, and start reading and publishing your content. There are upgraded accounts. You can pay $5 a month or a little more, but you don't have to have that. You can publish totally for free. So this is something anyone can use as long as you write good posts and those posts bring value to people. That's the community expectation on Medium. It's just, don't just write low quality content. Really try to write something good, and then you can embed your video, and that will give you another way to promote your video, which is especially good when you launch. And if you're not happy with how your video is ranking, you can always publish another article like a month from now, after another month, until you keep doing this and until you rank well and you're happy with it.